God bless you. Yeah, what your husband they tell you say you they fuck all your friend.
Mama, that one, no be too now. Yours one, no be all your friend. Let me take mama and tell her. Let me confess to her. Make forgive me. I don't beg. I don't know what to.
How many? Wait now, may you not cry. Wait. How many of your friend you fuck?
Now just one.
Now just one.
That he will forgive me. I don't beg you, my mother. My mother don't beg her. You know why he is? He won't kill himself. Make you help me beg and forgive me that devil.
The time when you fuck that in friend. Wait, the time when you fuck that in friend, where your husband did that time?
It's their house.
In their house.
Now 5 years ago, that is still happening. He did the bottom of I don't make a command confess so that he will forgive me.
Give your husband phone.
Not because they happen. Now the beggars, he go come back on mama. Mama won't die because of this matter.
Give your husband phone.
Make you forgive me.
Give her phone.
I don't know what I want to do again.
Give her phone. Everybody they confess. May he forgive you. Give your husband phone.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I did hear. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I did hear.
I beg your wife saying that she confessed to you.
No be say he fuck her. He keep her belly when he born my last pikin, carry give me.
Jesus, oh! Now the boy give her belly.
Thank you.
Hello.
Now your husband friend, I give you belly when you dey your husband house.
Mama, the picking, I know, we're not sure because I told her that I say the man they sleep with me that time. Now that time I can't get the life got confused the picking at before.
Wait. Now that body you the fucker. How you go to your husband house? You go the fuck? Oh Jesus! So wait. How many times your husband friend fuck you?
Ivano.
2 times with another body.
Yes.
Now when you don't finish your menses, you calculate and where?
Oh.
No, I'm not calculating that. I'm not calculating the menses that time.
Tell her so the pikin say resemble the man.
Okay, the pikin is your husband. Give your husband phone. Wait, I'll settle now.
Let me talk.
Tell her the truth.
He said the pikin resemble the man.
Mama, you know there's a boy, as a content.